What's up everyone? Are you tired of many methods to grow your Instagram followers without success? Well, today is your lucky day. I've got an awesome method to share with you, a way to get free, real Instagram followers. And trust me, there are no fake accounts, I promise. No computer or jailbroken iPhone is needed. It works easily on both iOS and Android. These followers are 100% real and interactive. And as you can see, I was able to get over 100k followers and the count keeps going. Stick around and watch the whole video. There's a crucial step at the end of this video. And to make sure this method works, you gotta check that your account isn't set to private so it runs smooth. So make sure private account is turned off. Also, don't forget to disable the review flag by going to follow and invite friends and turning off the flag to receive followers. Then let's go to your phone settings, then general, and tap on background app refresh. Make sure it's enabled for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down to find the Instagram app and ensure it's toggled on. To receive followers without any issues after you finish all these settings, let's open any browser and visit the exclusive website to get free followers for all social media platforms. I'll leave the link in the first comment. This website offers unlimited Instagram followers and you can use the method once every 24 hours. Click on the 3 lines at the top, select Instagram, and once it loads, look for the button labeled Free Instagram Followers. Click it to be redirected to the followers page. You'll see many online users actively using this tool. To ensure this method works perfectly, let's go to your Instagram app, then select Edit Profile and copy your username exactly as it is. And remember, don't forget to make sure your account is not private. Let's go back to the website and paste your username here in the right place and click Find Username. The site will now search for your account, so ensure the username is correct. As you can see, the site analyzes your account and displays all relevant info. Followers, following, and post, make sure it's your account. The site offers 3 plans for free to grow your Instagram followers. I usually choose the second plan, so I recommend selecting 2500 followers option each time. As you can see, I am gaining followers by connecting to Instagram's API and generating the followers I selected. And if you try this and it doesn't work, feel free to message me on Instagram. Due to connection frequency, the website may show you the last step. It's crucial to complete this step to verify you are a real person and do not sell those followers to unlock the final page within 3 minutes and confirm your ID. So click on Verify Now. You will be directed to the last step page, which contains more tasks specific to your country. To unlock the final page and receive your followers, you must complete at least 2 tasks to prove you are human. To ensure successful access, you can complete 3 tasks. Once you complete this step, you will unlock the final page. I'll go ahead and choose the first task, and then I'll carefully provide my phone number correctly, making sure everything's right. After that, I'm gonna click on subscribe and wait patiently for the confirmation code to come through. Alright, yeah, I just received it. Now let's go ahead and confirm this task. Awesome, that means the first task isn't successfully done. So now let's move on and choose another one. This task is a survey. I'll answer all the questions until the end to complete it correctly. Yes, that's done. Alright, so finally, I'm gonna go ahead and choose another task. This time one that involves filling out a quick survey and subscribing using my mobile number. I'll make sure to carefully provide my phone number correctly so I can receive the confirmation code without any issues. After that, I'll click on subscribe and wait patiently for the code to come through. Once I get the code, I'll confirm everything with it. Perfect, that means I've successfully completed the 3rd task. Alright guys, I've completed the last step. Let's check the last step page and see what happened. Yes, I unlocked the final page. If you do not unlock the final page, complete another task. Now I'll confirm my username and hit confirm. As you can see, the website is loading to start to send the plan you chose. Yes, the website starts sending successfully and it may take 12 hours to complete. Let's head over to Instagram to see the results. Yes, I'm starting to receive followers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on how to grow your social media followers, and let me know how this method worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep hustling. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video.